Well, what are we fixing today? Today we're at the cottage and we're going to fix a lawnmower. Technically it works. It has a funky battery, which is another day. Today we are going to fix the blades. Here's the blades I'm going to be putting on. They're a mulching blade. I got them from Amazon. I don't know the manufacturer, but I'll get you a link. Blow this up if you want. That's the information on the lawnmower itself. So, in order to do this, I don't think putting it in gear matters much, but we're going to put it in gear. Put these under the back. To roll. That. Open the hood. Peel off the spark plugs. Make sure it doesn't start on me. There are a number of ways to go about this. I could take the mower off. Well, I'm going to try this way. Okay, that's pretty much all the way. There it is. I'm just going to leave factory sharp on this. Position don't matter. If it did, it would be keyed. Just have to fit it up in the notches. There. Make sure when it turns the pulleys, and it does. Make sure it clears all the way around, and it does. Okay, let's install the other one. Blade part down towards the earth and the flares or whatever they are up. It's in the notches. Wiggle it from the pulley on the top, you can tell. Good and tight. Spin it around, make sure it clears everywhere. Yep, just barely clears here, which is good. Here's a good look at what these blades look like on the bench. This is so sharp here I can cut myself. Here's a bunch missing. Here almost all of it's missing. All these pieces, here this one's cracked right to there and bent the rest of the way. Do not let them go this long. This is too long. These blades were like 20 bucks, so you know what? 2 seasons maybe of a lot of cutting, or maybe 4 seasons if you only cut once in a while. Just replace them. You're better off. You can always take them off, grind them and sharpen them, but once you get to the point that this is all worn thin enough to like break off, you should not be using them at all. That's throwing big chunks of steel into your yard and at your pets and your unborn children. So don't do that. You don't want to harm unborn children. If you know what I mean. You know, in case that thing flies in a place that you really don't want it to. Okay, a little fussing around, I got it running. So, let's do a little bit of mowing. At the blade, but there's so much crap. Alright, don't have a lot of gas, so that's as much as I can do right now. But, let's see, clean this up pretty darn nice. I'll go over it again a little bit. There's a couple sticks in here yet. And I'll just rake this out, go over it again when I finish up that. But you can see how good a job that does cleaning up the leaves. Not bad at all. Even a little line there, but that's fine. They're all pretty fine chopped. So we're going to go over the whole lawn with that today, and then a couple more times before the end of fall. Let's see what's in the bins. The bins are full. Well, I don't know if I'm on a shot or not, but that's my video for today. Fix the lawnmower, put new blades, and swear at the battery. So, thanks for watching. Subscribe, if you will. That'll help me out. If you want to see something else in the yard here, let me know. If you want to see me change the battery, you can let me know and I can put that on. So, there goes a Harley. Thanks for watching. Till next time, happy mowing.